Welcome back, Team Fantastic, to Scentsory Vault. My name is Steve, and you have just gone out and bought yourself your very expensive, high quality, high-end fragrances, and you want them to last. You've just invested. I'm going to give you some great tips on how to get the most projection and the longest performance from the fragrances that you've got in your vault. So let's open up mine and let's get into it. So let's start with why fragrances don't last. They don't last on our skin because if your skin is dry, then it absorbs into that skin and the projection and the performance dies very, very quickly. If we have moisturized skin, then it has something to hold on to and last longer. Then we have heat and our pulse points. And we all know that as our pulse points warm up and our skin heats up, our perfumes, our fragrances project more, which is beautiful, but it also means that they can evaporate a lot quicker as well because of that heat. So let's get into some hacks on how to sort that out. So as we know, if your skin is dry, then your fragrance has nothing to hold on to. This is where moisturizing cream comes into play. And my choice, guys, is the Cerave moisturizing cream tub. This is the one I would look at picking up, not the pump spray one, because the pump spray one is actually a lighter moisturizing cream and it absorbs a lot quicker into the skin, which means it doesn't perform with what we want it to do as well as the tub itself. So the tub is a nice thick cream. This is great because it contains ceramides, and this actually gives the skin a nice barrier and keeps the fragrance on top. It's also unscented, so it doesn't affect the smell of our fragrance. It won't change anything about it, which is a really important part. And of course, one of the main things, as we said about dry skin, by moisturizing the skin with the Cerave, we're going to lock in that moisture for hours and hours and hours. So when and how to apply the Cerave moisturizing cream, the best time to put your moisturizing cream on is straight after the shower when your skin's still slightly damp, not wet, you've dried yourself, but it's still slightly damp. That's the best time to moisturize your skin and lock in that moisture. How to apply? You just need to apply onto your pulse points, neck, behind the ears, back of the neck, front of the neck, wrists and inner elbows. But again, with moisturizing cream, as we all know, we can apply it anywhere. And you just want to put it in a nice good bit of moisturizing cream and rub it in just so it locks in that moisture. Okay. So once we've rubbed that in, guys, we want to let that sit for about 1 to 2 minutes and let that soak into the skin and do its job. So by doing that, it's going to slow evaporation and extend the dry down phase of our fragrance, and it's going to make those base notes last longer on the skin. And that's why we want to get that moisturizer on. Now, moisturizer is going to help with all fragrances, but if you've got something which is really high quality, like Cerave Naxos, for example, then this is going to make this into a beast mode fragrance, okay? Because it's going to latch on and keep performing. Now, one of the strongest parts of this hack is the Vaseline, okay? The petroleum jelly is a fantastic part of this hack, and we're going to need this. This creates an occlusive barrier over the skin, so it stops the moisture from escaping that you've put in, and it stops things getting into the skin, and so the fragrance can't then go in and evaporate. This is where Vaseline comes in so well. There's something to note with this though, guys. This is a thin layer of Vaseline on your pulse points. Don't just lather yourself and put up in Vaseline, because it will then make the fragrance worse. Because what Vaseline does, if you put too much on, it stops the projection. We don't want that. Yes, this is going to make it last longer, but without the projection, it's not going to spread out into the air and people aren't going to smell it. So it's a very thin layer. So how do we trap those fragrance molecules and stop that evaporation? This is the dab trick. We don't want to smear this in. As I said, too much is not good. So it's a little bit on your finger, tiny little bit, and it's a dab on your pulse points, okay? So inner elbow, wrist, side of the neck, back of the neck, front, and it's just a dab behind the ears, and that's it, okay? That's got you ready to go. You don't want loads of it smeared on. You want to be able to just not even see it hardly. It's just a little base there. And we're just going to take our fragrance of choice, and we're going to go with Naxos today. And you just spray directly over the top of where you've put your little dab of Vaseline, there and there. So 2 on each arm, 2 on the side of the neck, one on the back, one on the front. Yeah, 8 sprays will last all day, okay? Again, you can dial this back down depending on what you're using. If you want to use 4 sprays, you can just put the Vaseline onto the 2 sides of your neck, 2 on your wrists, yeah? Spray, 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 spray. You can also put a little squirt onto your top as well, because obviously on fabric, your fragrance is going to last even longer, but be careful, it's not a fragrance that is really oily because it might stain your clothes. Little bit of moisturizer, little bit of Vaseline, your favorite fragrance, and you are ready to head out into the world and smell amazing for everyone you meet. It's going to last. Bear in mind, it does depend on the fragrance. If you're looking at a fragrance that's already beast mode and already lasting 10 hours, it's going to help push that even further. If you're looking at a fragrance that's only going to give you 4 hours wear, then you're only looking at maybe getting 5 or 6, okay? So yes, it will help all fragrances, but you've got to bear in mind based on what the fragrance is already providing you with. You should get, by doing this little hack, at least 30 to 50% longer last on your skin and a stronger projection. And there we have it, Team Fantastic, with a nice little hack for you. If this is new for you and it's helped you, please like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, guys. It means a lot to me. It's really going to help the channel to grow if you press that button for me. Like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments, guys, what's your strongest fragrance you've got. For now, my name's Steve. This is the Scentsory Vault. You guys are amazing, and the vault is closed.